Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's video, I would like to give a shout out to Bright Cellars for sponsoring this video. Bright Cellar is a monthly wine club. So all you have to do is take a 7-question quiz and they'll match wines from all over the world curated to your palate. And what I love the most is that it's delivered straight to your door. The customer service is great. If you have any issues, they got you. You can also log into your account and rate your wines when you receive them. So each wine comes with its own information card, and it basically just gives you a breakdown about the wine, the alcohol percentage, the profile of the wine, the serving temperature, and what the wine is best paired with. This is the one that we're gonna go with today. So I have to use this wine opener today because my other one needs batteries. There we go. Y'all know how I do. I like to play like I'm at a whole wine tasting. Okay. Oh yeah, that is so good. So this is how the bottle looks. And again, this is a Pinot Grigio. This is really nice. So let me see. So here's my information card for this one. Let me just tell y'all the flavor notes in this one. It's Meyer lemon, grapefruit, white peach, and honeysuckle. So it's 12.1% alcohol. It's a light body white. This pairs well with green goddess salad, lemon and herb baked chicken, and hot days by the pool. So this is perfect. I love it. This was a good choice. Thank you, Bright Cellars. Cheers. Bright Cellar is giving my followers an exclusive 50% off their first 6 bottles plus a bonus bottle. That's 7 bottles in total. Follow my link below and take the quiz to get started. Hey y'all, today is Friday and I'm on my way to the mall to take my son to get some last minute things for school. Y'all know school starts next Tuesday. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. My oldest son was going with us, but he has a studio session and we don't feel like waiting because it's already 1:30. So that's what we're doing right now. One of my eyes look bigger than the other one because of my eyeliner. I think I have more eyeliner on this eye than I do on this eye. Y'all probably can't tell. Let me show y'all what I got on. Just something simple. Every time I do this, I get out of focus. I'm wearing my little third eye I got this from Aldo. And then I'm just wearing this linen top. I'm probably blurry because it always do this. And then these white linen shorts, both from H&M, sold separately. But I'll have the link in the description box for y'all. And let me, what kind of shades am I gonna wear today? I might wear my shades from Aldo. I haven't worn those yet, so let's see how they look. All right, so this is how they look. Y'all probably can't see it from the glare, but yeah. So I think I'm gonna wear these today because I haven't worn these yet. What y'all think? Tony, you like these?
Oh yeah, it looks good.
He is so extra. Okay, yes, I'm not in front of the window so you guys could see them a little bit better. Right here, I still need to clean them though. But they're cute. And I might wear my little coat shoes, or what am I in the mood to do? Or I might just wear some slides. I don't know, because we might do a lot of walking. Which place are we going to, Tony?
Probably resale on the album, probably both.
Okay, because I have something that I need to exchange from H&M. Y'all remember those little plain t-shirts that I bought in the men's section? I hate the way that they look. So I'm going to take those back because I don't think I'll be wearing those. It's just the V, they're like V-neck t-shirts. And the V is like really high, and I just don't like the way that that looks. So I'm gonna take those bad boys back. I don't have the receipt, but the tags are still on them, so I'm sure they'll just exchange them, no problem. So y'all, I'm always the first one ready. Tony. I'm gonna call my son and tell him we're gonna go ahead and go without him.
Calling your oldest son.
See if Tony ready.
Hello?
Hey, we're gonna just go ahead and go.
Ma, y'all can't wait on me?
We can't FaceTime you?
Yeah, you can.
Alright. Alright, y'all. I got my mask and I'm ready to go. So we're back home. Y'all, look what we found in the store. Have y'all ever heard of these? The Lay's wavy Funyun onion. Look at this. I've never seen this before. Let's see, y'all. So it looks just like a regular wavy ruffle or whatever. It don't taste like a Funyun though. It tastes just like a
Lay's chip.
yeah, like a sour cream and onion, wavy. It's good, but it don't taste like Funyuns.
I think it's potatoes.
It's onion.
It's corn.
It's onion flavored.
Onions, onion flavored rings.
They good though, right?
You like onions?
They do not taste like Funyuns.
Tastes delicious.
All right, y'all. So I didn't vlog. I didn't vlog while we were in the mall because it was a lot of people in there, and we was trying to just let him do his thing. So today's vlog is going to be really short because y'all know, I'm sure a lot of you guys have a lot of stuff going on this weekend, and so do I. I can't even do my mukbang today. I was supposed to do a mukbang today, but I think what I'm gonna do is just do a live mukbang. That'll be easier for me because I don't have to set up and all this and that. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. My son and his friend is here. My oldest son and his friend is here because really my oldest son, well, his name is DJ. So when y'all hear me say DJ, y'all know I'm talking about my oldest son. So DJ, he basically is Tony's personal stylist, because little Tony cannot focus. He cannot get his thoughts together when he's shopping without his brother. He just needs his brother there. He gotta have him there. So my oldest son is here right now, just basically putting together like everything that he's gonna wear for the, you know, matching up the outfits, pretty much putting the shirts and the shoes and all that stuff together, and keep putting it a certain way in his closet so he could just get up and grab. Because my son is real chill, but his style is kind of changing a little bit, and his brother know how to pick the stuff out good. So he's still learning how to put his stuff together, but he dresses really nice. Tony is really into shoes, but his outfits are usually pretty plain, pretty chill, but then he'll have on the nice shoes and stuff like that, child. Y'all know how the boys is. So they're in there right now, and little Tony was asleep, and DJ, I'm so used to saying my oldest, and DJ done went in there, woke him up. So I would take y'all in there, but y'all want to go in there? Okay, I'm gonna take y'all in there for a second, and then I'm gonna end this vlog. Like I said, I know it's short, but we'll be back on track next week, because I just got a lot of stuff I gotta do today. So Tony's personal stylist.
Hi guys.
And come up, Josh. Y'all look how tall he is. He made me look like a midget. Like, look at this.
Y'all know it's him in the flesh, Montana Ballin'. him.
So they getting this stuff together, lining it up.
Bro, you still asleep. I know you still asleep because you ain't said not one word.
If you want to put on that all white blocker, you can
Don't wear that on the first day, bro.
But
yeah, don't wear it. Not the first day,
All
cause
white.
everybody gonna have these on.
let me see those. Put them up here. This,
You can do that.
I like that cookies though.
yeah, I like that too.
Put that cookies on top of him.
You can wear that with another shoe.
Honestly, look, let me show you something. You see that blue in there? You see that
Man,
blue
that
on top of
1% blue, never.
You crazy.
No,
You
Josh.
crazy.
No,
You nasty.
never.
I'm telling you, right shoes too, on point.
DJ moved that right out the way. He dismissed that real
Yeah,
quick.
that's not it.
On point on that.
That's not what we're doing.
See, if you had the, I don't know, me, I was just wait.
Not that drop. Excuse me, mom. You need some.
Y'all see it. I told y'all they be on one in that room, okay? So I'm gonna let them handle that, and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for my live mukbang. So I'm not too sure what time I'm gonna do it. It is 6:30 right now, so I'm getting ready to edit this footage that I have for you guys, put this video out so y'all can get something, and then I'm going to start cooking my seafood so I can do a live mukbang, and I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone tonight. So I love y'all. Y'all know I'm good for a cute little short vlog, because y'all know I got y'all next week. So I know this vlog was short, but if y'all want to join me on the live mukbang tonight, like I said, I'm not too sure what time. I got a little poll going on right now on my mukbang channel, so I'm gonna kind of see what everybody's saying, what time they feeling, because on that channel we watch shows together and stuff like that. So Friday night, I'm not too sure what we can watch, but yeah, we have fun on the live. So y'all come over there and join us, and subscribe if you want to, honey. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey, y'all.
Multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, Faking your life for the IG.